A very interesting thing about the USDJPY 4-hour chart right now is that the market is moving as predicted from this point of important resistance right here. Market come all the way down and liquidity have been taken off the market from this point of important support. So the next question is the market going to from here move to the upside? And if you look at gold, market is making significant new move all the way to the upside. All of these and more in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for all that Forex content. Look at this very point where I talk about market coming back down before the next move upward on USDJPY, and that is exact same thing we are seeing right now. From this very point, market come all the way down. I am expecting the next move to be a buy position in line with the one-day chart, because I still believe the one-day chart have capacity of moving all the way to the upside. So if you look at this very point of support critically, it is covered that the market just took out liquidity from this very point. Okay, so the next thing is to find liquidity satisfaction. So market go below this very point of important support at this very area, a little bit downward, collect liquidity from the market, and right now the market is seated at this very point. So the next thing is to find if liquidity is satisfied at this very point of important support before the next move will happen all the way to the upside, and that is what I am expecting. But the first thing I need to and we need to look out for is liquidity satisfaction. Okay, so we need to see a significant move from this very area, okay, upward, to prove that market is going to from here move upward, and check other parameters to actually verify that liquidity is satisfied at this very point of important support right here. The market is going to begin to move upward for a buy position. Nevertheless, if the liquidity is not satisfied at this very point, that means market have capacity of retracing a little bit and then come back down for a sell pressure all the way to the downside, approaching this very liquidity right here that we have in the market at this very point of 141.76 on USDJPY, and also this very level of 142.44. okay, so this very zone is another important level of liquidity we have in the market right now. So if this one did not fill at the moment, then we should expect the market to come back down a little bit below where the market is right now to collect this other liquidity that we have on the chart at this very point of important support. So two things to look out for right now is to find out if liquidity is satisfied at this very point of important support, and if liquidity is satisfied, we need to see some other parameters play out before the market will begin to move upward so that we can take a buy position. And if liquidity is not satisfied at this very area, pay attention for the potential drop in the market to the downside from here. Market have capacity of coming here, and I believe this liquidity will be satisfied. And also we need to check that very parameter to confirm that the market is going to from here begin to move all the way to the upside. So these are the things we need to pay attention to right now on the chart, and as we begin to look at a new outlook for USDJPY. If you look at the one-day chart, the one-day chart is still looking bearish right now. As you can see on the chart, I was expecting the market to continue this movement upward. Nevertheless, I was talking about the 4-hour chart coming back down for a sell position. Then afterward, we're going to see the market begin to move upward, and that is what I am still expecting right now. I'm expecting that this market from here move upward for that very movement from here, creating a new high above this very level of important resistance. Then from here, market is going to come back down for aggressive sell position, and this is very, very important. Remember, this very move is happening preparing itself for the US CPI data that's going to come out next week, and this is very important for all traders, and this is what I am looking out for right now on the chart. And for gold price action, if you look at this very price action, we have a very nice looking chart moving all the way upward from this very point. Market move up to this very area, retracement, impulsive move, market retrace, market impulse, market retrace, and then we have the next impulse right here, and the market just come back down a little bit and is moving up again. Now, one thing very important here is, if you notice the way market has been retracing, there are significant retracement right here, and there will be significant retracement right at this very point, and then the retracement is also significant right here, but what we are seeing at this very point is no longer significant. What that means is market have capacity of just moving up a little bit and then fail to create a significant new high. They begin to come back down. What I mean is markets have capacity of moving upward from here, creating a new high, not significant, and then move downward, okay, for a good major correction on the price action. So on the 1-day chart, good, still expect the market to move from here to the upside. That is my expectation. I'm expecting that this market continue this movement from here to the upside, not significant to move, and then begin to drop back to the downside. And looking at the 4-hour chart, which we cannot exempt from this very analysis, you see that there is a major bullish move on the chart right now. And from this very area, expect the market to move upward, but this very move is not going to last very long on the chart. This is my personal expectation, and for us to confirm that this very move is going to last long on the chart, we need to see that the market break this level of important resistance. Look at this very price action right here. You see there is an integral resistance at this very point. We have resistance right here as well. We have resistance at this point and resistance all through here. So for this market to be very significant for us to enter in a buy position, we need to see a breakout of this very nice looking resistance at this very point. And if that breakout happens, then market is going to have significant move all the way upward on the 4-hour chart before we begin to see the market come back down for a sell position. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now and look out for on the 4-hour chart. Good, and also on the 1-day chart, market is going to move all the way to the upside. And for USDJPY, we are looking for liquidity satisfaction on the 4-hour chart, and if that happens, market is going to from here move to the upside on the 1-day chart. These are key things you need to watch right now on the USDJPY 1-day and 4-hour chart, and also on gold. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content, and if you've not registered with any broker and you want to use my recommended broker, I have a link in the description of this very video. Check it out and use those links and register right now. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.